Hello viewers, narono tesa ani channel no lamsugo. Ang tesa narono hambairu naro ani channel no subscribe kheka and like he naro kano help kheka support kheka. Jadi khane support khai tungni ano. Tini sing class 10 ni electricity ni part 2 tini sing oro explanation khai nai especially and oro sing paikha udino sing lugmani sing tini start khane basically teksa page uthanai sing circuit diagram na circuit diagram sing oro nugui tongo circuit diagram. So what is circuit diagram? So figure 12.1 boini figure 12.1 uthanai sing and nugnai ojago mono hino circuit diagram. So what is a circuit diagram hikai suno sakai. Circuit diagram is a diagram in which we represent the circuits by their corresponding electrical appliances. Clear? Next oro noroknite circuit diagram bijak tung that eco. It is a schematic diagram. Okay, this is a schematic diagram in which different components of circuit are represented by the symbols conveniently used. So our symbols rogbati hangman anono kunugana electric cell mo battery combination mane cell rogno jodi sing combination khai kai mono sing nai, and this is the open key or open switch. This is a closed switch, and closed switch mane nonka je current will flow. A wire joint wire cross khai rekhe wire no electrical bulb, the resistors or resistances, variable resistance or rheostat no ke sing arrow by 5 because we can change the values. This is ammeter and this is a voltmeter. Now sin the topic sing Ohm's law sing tino ojago porinai. Okay, so Ohm's law suno first jeri nai bini mungkai German bokai ekjon physicist tomani especially bini mungkai German physicist George Simon. Okay, so George Simon Ohm bo 1827 no published khaika about the relationship between the current is denoted by capital I and the potential difference, and potential difference is denoted by capital letter B. So bo kaisa law or kaisa formula rikha that there is a relation between potential difference and current. So khaji sung porinai tabo khai sung lai nai. So first or porinai what is called Ohm's law. According to the Ohm's law, potential difference and current are proportional to each other. So tebo kaham kai sakai sungnai if temperature and other physical condition remain constant, then the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. I think ang bujirima khana antesa se tungu. Suppose this is a conductor wire conductor and mokhe ang battery, this is battery, this is plus, mokhe minus, and suppose this is electrical bulb was use ke kya ho to bosau when the battery the potential difference is like 6 volt, the current here I will measure current here also. So ekta ammeter igena ammeter by which we can measure current. So I will suppose I will get the reading of ammeter which is suppose 6 volt battery, then 2 ampere like that, and when I increase the battery like 12 volt, okay, and the reading of the ammeter will become, it will also increase in same manner. Okay, so like 4 ampere thaka clear. So yeah, so in this process the current is also increases if we increases the potential difference. So remain the temperature is remain constant. Angtum sanna ke buji khena norok that potential difference is proportional to the current. It's called directly proportional, and this is the Ohm's law. So when V proportional I, that means V equal to Ri. Okay, and here R is called constant. This R is called constant, and this is called resistance. Resistance of a metallic or something, any metal. So this is called resistance. And what is the definition of the resistance is? So resistance is, so this is the equation you have to remember. V equal to Ri. This is the Ohm's law actually, the equation of Ohm's law, V equal to Ri. So V is potential difference, R is resistance, and I is current. So what is resistance? Resistance is a property. It is a property actually. It is a property of a substance or conductor, you can say conductor also, to resist, SIST, resist the flow of charge through it. This is the property. So here I mean to say is, suppose current will current or wire or current or current hang, then it will resist. Yeah, in this way it will resist, means don't follow through it, means current is in every instance current will opposed by the substance, and this is a property of any kind of substance, that it resists the flow of charges through it. So this is called your resistance. Okay, but from the Ohm's law we get V by I equal to R. The proportional means the ratio between potential difference and current is called resistance also. So by Ohm's law you can say that the ratio between potential difference, this is a potential difference, this is current, is called resistance, and the unit of the resistance is SI unit. SI unit is ohm. Okay, which is omega actually, Greek word omega, and is pronounced as ohm. Clear? Then one question may arise from here, that what is 1 ohm? What is 1 ohm? The question is, what is 1 ohm? So our answer will be, if from this equation, that if 1 volt is the potential difference and 1 ampere, then it is 1 ohm. That means if the potential difference across the two ends of a conductor is 1 volt, and the current through it is 1 ampere, then the resistance of the conductor is called 1 ohm. Okay, so morok note tiseshi mano that morok ni note hini mo rito ni mano je mo note khai, and more actually for your examination is very important, that Ohm's law. And now another question arises here, that any graph buti hangman, graph between V and I buti hangman. So graph between V and I is VI graph. This is called VI graph or I graph, IV graph. But how it look like? So just in this y-axis we denoted potential difference V and this current I. Then we'll get in this way, this is straight line. Okay, then that our VI graph is always straight line. Okay, the characteristics is straight line or linear. Clear? So this is our VI graphs. So from here, another term we should know that what is called conductance. It is called conductance. The conductance, it is a reciprocal of resistance of substance. That means G equal to 1 by R. So in the Ohm's law, what we have gotten, like what we have got is V equal to Ri, and then R equals to Vy I. Then in conductance it is I by V. So this is conductance. Clear? Yes. So conductance is reciprocal to the resistance. So two of them are related to each other. They are related, and they are you can say one conductance and resistance. They are if one increases, another decreases. If one decreases, another increases. That means inversely proportional they are or related. So now we have to understand that do all the substances, to all the substance or resistors or conductors obey Ohm law? So answer unai, no, not all. Some conductors which obeying the Ohm's law, that means if we increase potential difference, then current also increases. This is called ohmic conductor. This is called what? Ohmic conductor. That means they are obeying the rule of Ohm's. Okay, they are called ohmic conductor. The ohmic conductors, just like some metals, like conductor. Metals means you can say copper, iron, gold, etc. But what is non-ohmic conductor? Non-ohmic conductor, the conductor or resistor which does not obey Ohm's law. This is called non-ohmic conductor. Non-ohmic conductor. So example of non-ohmic conductors are like diode, like many devices like transistors. I mean to say all are semiconductors. Semiconductor devices are used here. Semiconductors like germanium, arsenic, like that. So they are non-ohmic conductors. They are not obeying the rules actually. They are not obeying the rules. So they are non-ohmic conductors. So now we have to now know that why our resistance, why the resistance are opposing the current actually. Why the resistance opposing the current? Okay, why resistance are doing so? Okay, tangi boro current no oppose khai, but the samana nangai. Nadi. So suppose this is a resistor. Say this is a resistor, and the resistors, if we connect it throw a battery and power, or battery may be any source of potential difference, then current will flow through it. Current will flow, this is a positive terminal, and that their electrons are not actually, their electrons are here taking rest here, like here, some are like here, okay, electrons here, okay, randomly. And when we close the switch, actually when we close the switch, then what happen is tomong je current je tomani a current flow khamani, current flow means what, charge ni flow go, okay, a charge jokhon flow go, then the kinetic energy of the charges are very, like at that time it increases, ekdom increasing thango, the kinetic energy ekdom increasing thama bagai, speed boni beshing thango, the flow of charges, the speed of the electrons, okay, the speed je tomani charges rongni, electrons rongni ekdom high thango, and then oroni je electrons rok by bor collision thango, okay, collision by the electrons present in the resistors, and that time heat is produced, and that heat je heat to mane a heat reduce khaishu boroni energy no, mane kinetic energy or speed of the electrons rong no borok tom khaisi, slow down khaishu, and then borok ekdom no aste speed khai thangu. That means chobo borong no resist khai hinkai, the heat produced due to the collision of speed high kinetic energy of electrons with the electrons present in resistors, okay, and that heat produces, and that heat reduces the speed of the electrons, and that means they opposes the charges flowing through it. So that's why actually more happening goti bishing resistance ni bishing go. Now sungta bujina nangnai sung kaisa how to experimentally verified khana nangnai, experimentally verified Ohm's law, So Ohm's law na experimentally verified khana nangnai hinke sing circuit chana nangnai rom de oro circuit kaisa tongnai oro battery apply nai oro kai rheostat, and then o jaga hoka ampere current measure khana bagai oro thanai plus oro ke plus to or minus, and then mo tabuk tha sinai yangtui, and oro kaisa resistor unknown resistor toni nai, and o jago kaisa rom di voltmeter is connected parallel, so voltmeter ro toni nai, and then mo thang pai sinai tesa, and then mo tesa thangkai o jaga kaisa arrow ri nai sing, okay, mone hinai sing rheostat. So this is a actually battery, and or a battery tongo, and current will current will flow, and emitter amano measure khainai na je current flow khai ke or emitter reading khainai, to rheostat tom khaina rheostat by it is called variable resistance, okay. So sungbono variable resistance musiman rheostat no variable, okay, variable resistance. We can write variable resistance. So variable resistance means we can vary the resistance, and then vary khai ke tomnai if sing tabuk variable resistance jodi oste resistance to bar rekhai tomnai, if we increase the resistance, okay, so resistance increasing current bo tomnai current will not flow, okay, current will flow, but then the reading of the emitter it will show that less amount of current will flow. Why? Because resistance bar ikhai kintu current kintu tomung thanai, current kintu komi thanai. Sung sema khajet V by I equal to R. That means if R increases, then I will decreases, my dear. So resistance jisu bar national com reading phunai, okay, emitter bo, and emitter jisu com phunai, voltmeter bo asuno com reading phunai, clear. And then so nugnai je aste sung at data collection khai tunai a 2 adikha 3 or experimental data singoro store khai toni nai romdi when it is like 0.2, suppose when the current is like 0.2 ampere, then potential difference like that tom kha romdi 0.4 romdi 0.4 volt, when it is 0.3, when it is 0.3, and it is 0.6, and then when it is like 0.4, and the reading of the voltmeter is 0.8. So in every time when you divide 4 divided by 2, what we will get is 2 ohm. Here also 6 by 3 will get nadi ojago sungjohon divide khainai, then we'll get 2 ohm, and when 8 divided by 4 we'll get 2 ohm. So in every time we'll get 2 ohm, that is constant. Okay, the value of R is here constant, that means yes, it is verified. So I think in book ko mo result to हमको पढ़ी दे, because examination purpose ni bagi mo एकदम important mo किसी पढ़ी नहीं दिन रोकनी because और result होंगो, and the your graph will be like that. Okay, in graph आती है फाइनल तो नहीं more experimentally verification of the Ohm's law पाई था सिनेमो अज़ुज़रा ओम नहीं clear. तो और जगह ने सुन एक interesting topic तीनी cover खाएगा, and then next time में था नहीं resistance of the conductors नि factors or factors affecting the resistance of the conductor. तो फाना सुन तीनों cover खाना चेष्टा खाना सुन और तात्री पाइडिशन ना चाहो ना मनो. So resistance, the factors affecting the resistance of the conductor. But that hand in the factors until the video finished. Night only factors affecting resistance. Okay, of a conductor. Tom factor important. Number 1 is length of the conductor. Number 2 is area of the cross section of the conductor. Number 3, temperature. Number 4, nature. Clear? So length भी दिखाई, length first length to discuss करने. तो length of the if length increases, suppose this is a wire of conductor and same area, but this is another, but area same, but there what is that, not actually area, their thickness is same but the length is different here. This is suppose this is small l and this is l dashed. Okay, so if length increases, then resistance also increases. That means R is proportional to L. Clear? Directly proportional. So now area of the cross section, suppose this is a conductor, yes, but the thickness is not same but length is same here, like that. Okay, length is not same, then the area of the cross section, how it depend, nadi are proportional to 1 by A. It is inversely proportional, my dear. Inversely proportional mane if area increases then resistance also decrease, and if area decrease then resistance increase, mane ekta inversely proportional. And how temperature, then temperature, if temperature increases then resistance also increases. Clear? And then if nature of the material, so nature of the material means that our resistance is depend on the nature of the material also. Like copper ni bagi kha aladang na, copper ni bashing nai. If you compare gold je to mane gold ni resistance कम, but nini angkoni iron ni resistance kai nini bini compare ke bini chile ki chale slightly bishing nai. That means good conductor is gold if you compare gold and iron. So it is the nature also nature but depend to chatta is very important for length, area, temperature and nature. Now if we combine to both of them, we'll get what? We'll get R proportional to L upon A, which is R equals to rho L A. Okay, mono hino rho hino Greek word actually rho, and rho it is called your resistivity. Monotom hin resistivity, another thing that's a resistivity 5 pekha resistivity, or bono hino or specific resistance mono specific resistance bo hino. ठीक है, तो रो इक्वल टू तो मुनाई रो इक्वल टू और नहीं तो मुनाई R cross A divided by L, and this is the another formula of resistivity. So resistivity is depend of resistance, area and length of the conductor. Then unit is, तो resistance नहीं तब देखिए unit न होना, resistance unit के ohm बनिके meter square and length लिखे meter and meter cancel, then ohm meter, finished ohm meter dash. Okay, ohm meter. And resistivity is not like it is like resistance, because resistance is depend on the length and area, but that resistivity does not depend on the length and area. It is independent of length and area of the cross section. Adi length by area of cross section kono depend khaiya resistivity khai. Okay, so resistivity the tomani does not depend on length, resistivity does not depend on area of cross section. This does not. Okay, it means does not says you. Okay, and block anko depend khaiya, but it's depend on the temperature as well nature. Okay, but temperature by nature bro depend khai tongdai boroni resistivity, and resistivity ni unit ke meter. Then what is conductivity? Adi tabo conductivity to hinge sakai. Conductivity is united by sigma. Conductivity is equal to 1 by rho. That means reciprocal of the resistivity, and the unit of it is Siemens per meter. Okay, S Siemens per meter or S per m. Clear? This is a unit of conductivity. And what is the unit of conductance? Conductance in unit to mak sangsaimaka G equal to 1 by R. That means binikha conductance ni G unit to mani amok nai ni Siemens. Okay, and ke buke bosaho mo to mi chake buke mo ulta ohm ni ulta, but mo tabuk no use khayamo na agi use khemene ka Siemens rigo. Okay, so mo kutal kaisha maka tabuk teisha sung kitatia shairigana that amano resin resistivity. And what is the definition of resistivity? Resistivity, we know that rho equal to tomba R into A divided by L. So when area of cross section is 1 meter square and the length is 1 meter, then the resistance of the conductor is called what? Resistivity. Yes, definition mantaka. Okay, so when the area of the cross section of the conductor is 1 square meter and the length is 1 meter, then the numerical value of the resistance is called the resistivity. Normal resistivity hinai. So okay, so asung mangkha next phadi sing tekcha sari gana kicha what is called your what is called current density. Okay, current density mane tomno hine kicha sari gana boyo korifono. What is current density? The current density is current flowing through a conductor per unit area or unit area, and bini unit to mangna engai current nikhai ampere and area nikhai meter square. Ikumon hinai current density. Clear? Yes, I think mo sung jotono buji pai khata. Yes, and norokani mo video nai tondi sung next je part to mena amokai resistance ni combination porilai nai, and next sung te boki koeta numerical problems bo solve khane nai ebong nai tondi norok ani video no. And please norok subscribe khadi jodi nai khai nai tong khai subscribe khadi and norok share khadi and ani video no norok je needy students roni yago shogi rohodi or shogi reading nei. Okay, so jotono no hambai.